are an investment healthcare company focusing on game-changing disruptive technologies, mainly in the US, but also in the UK. And we are addressing chronic diseases. So the idea was to identify those game-changing technologies and take them out of various universities, institutions, tech transfer offices. Then basically we initiate what we call the sponsored research agreement, which is a way to seed those technologies to a point beyond which we know that they are actually worthwhile to pursue, so we staff them with heavyweight CEOs, and down the road, we work around an exit process, either an IPO or an M&A. We only invest in somewhat proven technologies in the field of diagnostics, digital health, and therapeutics. We have two major assets in California who are very close to commercialization. One of them is Wanda in digital health. It is a clinical decision support tool company aiming at reducing the rehospitalization rates of patients suffering from chronic diseases, especially congestive heart failure or even cancer. The other company is Vortex. This is a liquid biopsy company aiming at isolating, enumerating cancer circulating cells. So those two companies are really at the forefront of the technologies, of the innovation. They are very close to, or about to commercialize. Then we have more startup companies, early stage companies, such as Praxis in the UK, which is a company in respiratory diseases. The goal here is to reduce the number of days of treatment with antibiotics and also the frequency of antibiotics as well. Another company in our portfolio is Glycotest. We are really changing the paradigm of care by improving the detection of liver cancer. My background is MD, MBA. I spent about 20 years in the pharma industry, mostly on the commercial side. And then I decided to move into small setup, small companies. I was very excited by the portfolio, the concept of a multiple portfolio, game-changing technologies in various aspects, digital health, diagnostic, therapeutics, and to be frank as well by our chairman, Sir Richard Sykes, who is the former chairman of GSK and still currently the chairman of the NHS Trust, as well as the chairman of the Royal Institute. Our CEOs are some of the best professionals in the healthcare industry. Some of them are coming from large companies, but also they have worked in small companies, so they know exactly the environment in which they are working in. Our business is about technologies and people.